What's up, everyone? Luckside here again, coming to you on the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. Did you know that the worst days of this bear market may, in fact, be behind us? And there is a key indicator that shows this might be so. So I want to share this with you guys, show you what this is. But before I do that, if you are new to the channel or haven't already, make sure you show your support. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button. It'll keep you updated anytime there's content live here on the channel. And obviously, we make a bunch of it. So, did you know money flowing out of crypto funds is 666 million less than the previous quarter, indicating bearish investors are already out? So according to this data from Bloomberg, money flowing out of crypto exchange traded funds has slowed down by 97% in quarter three compared to quarter two. So what this means, pretty much what it says right there, money leaving crypto right now has gone down 97% compared to the previous quarter. And I think this has to do, or this, I guess, is a big reason why we see the market flattening out right now. There's not much variance. There's not much volatility in the ranges that we've been trading in over the last 3 months. So this is a good sign, right? Because if we look at previous cycles, there's typically these sideways trading periods of consolidation, right? We have people that are just, holding steady eddy, not much price changes until there's some kind of, macroeconomic event that starts us, going north again. So this is obviously very big news to hear. And really all the metrics are down in quarter three compared to quarter two. So this is really cool to see. Here's a chart that you can check out if you want to see where the money had been flowing. You can see that, again, money coming out has slowed down quite a bit. And a lot of times, this could flip around. Wow. Flip around and start going the other way. So this is very cool. We can see that the 7-day performance of currencies against the US dollar, Bitcoin has been outperforming all the other currencies of the world. So gold, won, euro, the British pound. So very cool stuff to see, but I figured I'd at least let you guys know that the worst of the days may be, in fact, behind us. But as always, this is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to take all your, money and just load up on crypto right now. It's not what we do here at the ClearCryptos channel. But again, this may be showing you something that others may not be telling you. So as always, do your research because that way you can stay updated and informed and you can keep luck on your side, just like me. Hope you guys have a great one. Use something that others your day to check out the video. Again, if you haven't already, make sure you go ahead, hit that subscribe button, hit the little bell. Again, it'll keep you updated and notified anytime there's content live on the channel for you to check out. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. Appreciate you again in joining me, and I hope to catch you in the next one. Take care, guys.